Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. So today for Vlogmas, I have another closet to go through and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We are in Sophia'S room. It's her little sign that her grandma made her. Her closet has been a disaster since before she was born. I just haven't figured out the way I want it to be organized. So just kind of keep shoving stuff in there, and you know, right here it doesn't look terrible, right? We have a dresser in here, there's stuff piled up on that side, stuff piled up on that side, and then I don't even know what all that is, but we're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified when I come out with new videos. Hi, little one. What are you doing? Drinking her juice. And Sophia is home today. She is actually sick. So keep her in your thoughts and prayers, and hopefully she gets better very soon. So she's okay. You want me to open that? Let me have it. And there are stickers in there. So
bad stickers.
Huh?
There's bad stickers.
Bad stickers?
Yeah.
Or are they angry in there? These things are a lifesaver. They always have them in the Target dollar section. She loves them and they keep her entertained. So heck yeah.
There's bad stickers and good stickers.
I can't open it.
I want to chew.
Let me set you guys down for a minute. What? No, we'll open that one after nap time, okay?
Why?
Because we don't need to open that one right now. You can play with this one though. You want to color while mommy cleans out your closet?
Huh?
You want to color while mommy cleans your closet? Okay.
I want color on my
I can't open this. What in the world?
Can I color with my book on my bed?
If you are very careful. Here we go. I got it.
Yeah. I don't want my socks on.
You don't want your socks on?
No. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna get her set up with this, and then we're gonna tackle the closet. So it actually worked out that Sophia was home on the day that I decided to do this video. So she was able to try on some of the clothes that I wasn't quite sure if they still fit or not. This snowsuit is a perfect example. Even though it has a 2T on it and she is technically in 3T, 4T clothing, this snowsuit still fits. So we are going to be able to get through another winter with this bright pink suit that I just absolutely love. That was a gift from her Grammy and Grandma, and I'm excited, and I hope that we get snow so she can truck around in her bright pink snowsuit one more time before it's too small for her. And then we're just going to continue to go through some of the clothes and try on some items to see if they still fit. Those coats are actually too small, so I'm going to be donating those, and hopefully another little kiddo can get great use out of them this winter or maybe next winter. Now that everything has been pulled off of the top shelf in her closet, I'm just sorting through those and putting them in their appropriate piles. I have a pile of things that I'm going to donate, a pile of things that I'm going to keep, and a pile of things that need to go to the trash. So I'm almost done with that, and then we're going to move on into the closet. She has that green cubby system, and there were some things in there that I'm not even sure where they came from, but they somehow magically ended up in the closet. So it was good for me to go through this and kind of purge some items that made absolute no sense to me. And then also I kind of was able to take a little tiny trip down memory lane because I found some awesome cute little things, like her first pair of cowgirl boots. I don't even think she ever walked in those. Her first shoes that she wore for her first birthday, and her first birthday outfit that she wore. And then I also was able to find the ultrasound. It was her last ultrasound. So that was pretty special and cool to be able to see that. Why it's in here, I don't know, but that's where it ended up with all the other random stuff. So I'm just going to finish cleaning this up and then go through the rest of her items on. It's actually a changing table. It looks like a little 3-drawer dresser, but that was a changing table that I actually painted for her when I was pregnant, and it's very special, and we're going to pass that down to any other little babies that we are blessed with. So we're definitely keeping it, and in the meantime we're continuing to use it. We just put it in our closet because she doesn't need the changing table in her bedroom anymore. So I'm just going to go through the rest of this stuff. Underneath, believe it or not, this pile of shoes and clothes was a whole entire stack of little creations that she had made from school. And to be completely honest with you, I am struggling so hard with figuring out how to store those or how to display, little things that she makes. And I could use any pointer. So if you have any ideas or anything that works for you and your family, please let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to be able to display some of the things that she makes or brings home from school. And then I also would love to be able to keep some in a safe place. Just need help figuring out what that area is. I'm just wiping this down with a Clorox wipe. I was wiping everything in her room with Clorox wipes because she was sick, and I just wanted to knock all of those germs out. And I don't think we ever have really dusted the inside of her closet, so it was pretty good to just get that out of the way. And now I'm going to go through the rest of her clothes that were hanging up. And again, I'm going to donate anything that she can't wear anymore. I am going to pull off a few items that we're going to keep for her keepsake or for any other little baby girls in the future, and just organize those so it's just the clothes that fit her and that are in season right in front of your face, so it's easy to see when you open up her closet. So we'll finish up doing this, and then I will hop back on later. Okay guys, I'm all done. The closet is clean. There's her old diaper bag and some extra blankets. I went through all of her clothes. I've got a big donut pile of clothes that she can't wear anymore. I also have a fairly decent sized keep pile for any other future baby girls that we may have. And then a small pile of things that are just too worn or broken that need to go into the trash. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you wanna see my other Vlogmas videos, I will have them linked below, as well as some other cleaning videos if you like that style of video. If you're new here again, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these cleaning videos. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.